Hey people, what's up? Today we are working on a Bentley Convertible Continental. It's here for no stock condition. It's got all kinds of electrical problems. As you can see, we have the car parked. And this is part of what we do. We not only tune cars, we also fix a lot of like really serious problems. Wiring problems, low voltage issues. This car's are notorious for that. And sometimes you have to take the whole car apart, as you can see. Everything's apart, just to find one little problem. We eventually get to it, but it takes time. So we always fix it. And that's what we're here for. If you like this video, there's more like it right here. Don't forget to subscribe right here. And I'll see you in the next one.